Hello and welcome to a quick video tutorial on how to use the test ID text in live number testing. The test ID text is a unique code we generate for each individual test request. Our system uses this code in order to match the test result with a test request, and for this reason it needs to be included in the message body. With the new ID solution, you are now able to customize your ID and create content that looks identical to live traffic. You can simply start typing in the text box and interact with the code to modify it. So let's start by clicking on the ID icon. If you choose not to modify the ID, the default value generated by our system will be alpha with mixed case and 10 letters in length. You can change the type from alpha to numeric, alphanumeric, or WhatsApp code. For alpha and alphanumeric, you can also specify the case and select mixed, upper, or lowercase letters. For all types aside from WhatsApp, you can also specify the length from 4 up to 20 characters in length. To save your selection for this batch, please click the Apply button. Next, you can select the placement of your ID by dragging and dropping the ID icon anywhere in the text. If you choose not to move your ID, it will always be placed at the beginning of your content by default. Testing with the new ID can be made simple with our templates feature. You can save your text and ID settings for later use by clicking on the Save button and create a template. Not only can you test messages that are indistinguishable from live traffic, but you can also do it with one click. Your templates will have the ID settings indicated below the text, and if you want to change the values, you can modify your template in the Templates menu by clicking on the Edit button and simply making a different selection. To help you save your most frequently used texts, you can also use the Import option and upload multiple templates at once with your desired ID. Simply download our example file and enter your text and ID preference. Once you're done, upload your file and click Import. If you need more information on the Import from Excel option, please click on the Help link. Now let's take a look at some examples of how you can incorporate your customized ID in the text, no matter what type of content you're testing. You can put your ID in place of an OTP code or make it a part of a URL. With its versatility, there are many options. This state-of-the-art solution can make your testing content with TelQ look exactly like the messages your clients send, therefore making whitelisting based on the ID impossible for your vendors. So start customizing your test ID text and say goodbye to whitelisted tests. If you need more information on the ID, please click on the What is ID link. It will take you to our customer documentation, where you will find some useful explanations about the ID and examples for creating your content. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us.